It's just like NASCAR for people who like science.
Just too bad. I actually couldn't film it until it knocks it over.
Oh yeah. Actually, I don't know. It could take a very long time.
Yeah, it could take like, well, let's see what time it is. I might knock it over in like 14 minutes.
Really?
Well, I'm guessing it'll knock it over once an hour.
Are there 24?
Nope. Actually, I have no idea. Maybe like 41. So it could
That's
be...
not 24 times 2.